Hi friends, this is Peggy from prettypapercards.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today I want to show you the step technique using the Stampin' Up! Stamparatus stamp positioning tool. And that is the technique that I used to create this congratulations card today. And that's what I'm going to show you how to make. So this card is made using the stamp set called Another Wonderful Year. And one reason I really love it is because it has lots of great sentiments that can carry you through an entire year. It has birthday, celebrate another wonderful year would be a birthday, and it just has some really great sentiments. So from this set, we're going to use this congratulations, we are so happy for you stamp today. Now I've already placed the stamp on the Stamparatus stamp positioning tool here. I've already got it there for us so we can see how the step technique works. Now for your information, I always place an empty stamp case or a stamp case over here underneath the plate, because what happens is if I don't have that there, the plate is uneven in level, and actually what could happen is that when you add your ink could get messed up and not even. So I like to add an empty or whatever, a stamp case there to make sure that my ink is going to go on as evenly as I can get it. Okay, so the piece we're using today is 3.5 by 5 inches, and that's the piece of very vanilla cardstock that I have on this congratulations card, 3.5 by 5 inches long. And what we're going to do is we want to stamp the congratulations 4 times down the panel of very vanilla. And so I've got my piece of cardstock all lined up here, and I've got my magnets up at the top and the bottom to hold the paper in place. So we're going to just start out by applying ink, and today I'm using Bermuda Bay ink, Stampin' Up! Bermuda Bay ink, and I've inked up my stamp, and I'm going to pull it over and press down. And there is our first congratulations. Now to get them to go down evenly, this is the beauty of the Stamparatus, is that you can pick up this plate very easily like that and just set it down, step it down 1 notch and press it in. And then you're going to have it be able to stamp 1 step down. So I'm going to re-ink my stamp, and then I'm going to again stamp, and it comes out positioned exactly correctly on my card. Look at how even that is. Isn't that beautiful? That is the beauty of this stamp positioning tool. Now I'm going to ink again. I kind of did it in the wrong order, didn't I? But that's okay. I'm going to step down 1 for my 3rd one, so I'm in the 1, 2, 3rd notch there, and I'm going to press over and stamp. Isn't that great? Okay, let's do it the right order this time. Step down 1 more time into the 4th notch, apply my Bermuda Bay ink, and it goes on real well because and evenly because I have this stamp case under there. And now we're going to do our last one and press. Is that great or what? That is so neat. I just love the way this tool does that for you. And then I just can put it right back up in the top, clean my stamp, and go on. I'm just going to set that over there to show you. So in order to finish your card, you've got your sentiment all stamped. I have a piece of crumb cake cardstock, and it's 8.5 wide by 5 inches, or 8.5, excuse me, by 5, and it is scored at 4 1/4. And then I have a piece of Bermuda Bay cardstock, which is would be 3 3/4 wide by 5 1/4. I didn't have that written down, so I had to remember. And I've lifted up the Bermuda Bay piece on Stampin' Dimensionals. I've glued the congratulations piece down onto the Bermuda Bay. First, actually, I forgot. I wrapped it with this linen thread, and I went around 3 times and tied a bow. I think that fills in the space down there, and I think it looks kind of cute. And then glue it on, and then you're going to add your little frosted, those are some frosted epoxy droplets, but you could use sequins or just anything, and you could use any color of ink and any color of coordinating cardstock to match with your ink. So there's your congratulations card, and you've learned the step technique using the Stamparatus. My name is Peggy. My website is prettypapercards.com, and I'd love to see you over there. Check out what I'm doing and leave me a comment. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.